It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
We have a cookie recipe that we've been making for years that we got from the internet. It's an easy recipe for Chinese mooncakes, but it's like a preschool version that I used to make in my daycare. We used to make them every year for Chinese New Year with the little kids, and so it's a really easy recipe. It's not like some of the fancier ones. And the recipe calls for red bean paste or jam or jelly. We have always used jam or jelly because in Montana we were never able to find red bean paste, and so we found some at the store. Sweetened red bean paste. The ingredients say sugar, water, and red beans. So now that we have some, we made some of the cookies with the red bean paste in the middle instead of jelly like we've always used. So let's try it out and see how it is. The cookies themselves taste like a shortbread. Try the stuff inside.
Yum. I like them.
It's sweet. Doesn't taste at all like beans. You wouldn't know it's beans. Tastes like frosting. What do you think? Try that part.
No.
Give it a try. Oh, Doug's here to try too. What do you think?
That's kind of odd. Not bad.
Would you know that it's beans?
No.
Just like some kind of frosting or something, huh? It says you can... Oh, it says it's made of high-quality red beans, which are boiled and sweetened according to the original recipe. Please enjoy with pancakes and mitsu or zenzai. Zenzai? I'm not sure what those two things are, but maybe we'll try it tomorrow morning on pancakes and see what the boys think. What do you think of that cookie? You're left with only crumbs. Did you like the stuff in the middle?
You.
What do you want to tell them about it?
That cookie is good.
Yeah, you like them, huh? I bet you want another, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Butter too.
what do you think about red bean paste? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. All right, let's have brothers come in and try them and see what they think.
They're outside.
They are.
You get them.
All right, have a seat.
Oh no.
They are
Try 'em
the
out.
cod liver oil chocolate cookies.
Chocolate cookie.
All right, you guys
with
got to
my
move into
chocolate
view.
cookie
Everybody get
one
close to
with-
M.
Am I in?
Okay.
Yeah.
Who wants to try
Me.
them?
Me.
All right, so what do you think it is in the middle, Anthony?
Cod liver oil chocolate cod liver oil.
Oil.
Chocolate flavored cod liver oil. All right, give them a try.
Is it?
That's so good.
That's not. That is way good.
Yeah, it is.
Look at that. We got that on tape that Anthony says it's good.
Say it one more time, Anthony.
That's kind of good.
You said way good.
Okay, it's good. Not way good, just good. I give it
What?
1 3/4 thumbs up.
All right. What do you give it, Em?
Yeah.
A thumbs up. What do you give it, Colin?
A thumbs up. Wait, 2 thumbs up.
Do you have any thumbs? Oh, there they are.
2 thumbs.
What do you think? 2 thumbs up?
Emma thinks
All right.
2 thumbs up too.
Who has a guess of what it is?
Cod liver oil.
Liver oil.
You think it's cod liver oil?
Yeah, just one of the types. I don't know which type,
But you guys have tried cod liver oil, and does it taste like that?
no, but it must taste better cooked.
Oh, you think we cooked it?
Wait, I probably
Well, I know cod liver oil is a liquid.
Ow! Then
He got crumbs.
Does he have crumbs? Are you wiping off his crumbs?
So what is it? Yeah, so what is it?
It is red beans.
My beans? Oh!
Red bean paste. Kind of like refried beans, but it's red beans all squished up.
Oh my god. Good. Those are good.
Double thumbs up.
I didn't expect it to be beans. We need more, Mom.
Do you need more?
Yes. Yes.
All right, here's some more.
Here's some beans. Mmm. Like the school jar. Want to dink it? Dink. Dink. Mmm.
I knew it wasn't chocolate.
I could eat those all day. Mm-hmm.
It tasted weird, but I knew it was not chocolate.
So good.